We are already feeling the effects in Tokyo. In fact, this is the latest webcam from downtown Tokyo near the Tokyo Canal. You can see some very ominous low-hanging clouds near the buildings there. There's also some rain, but the wind has not yet picked up. Just yet. Look at our forecast. We're actually expecting the winds to become typhoon strength closer towards Monday morning. That would be rush hour time, so people want to plan accordingly. We are expecting wind gusts over 100 kilometers per hour in Tokyo near the central business district. This is the latest satellite imagery. Still a well-defined eye. This storm is actually centered near the Yakushima Island, just south of the mainland. We have tropical storm force winds entering the Kagoshima Prefecture at the moment, and you can see the rain band stretching from Kochi all the way to Tokyo and Suzuka. By the way, this storm is starting to make its general north to northeasterly direction as our trough sweeps in from northern China, and that's helping make that storm push a little further to the east. So it's still a little on the questionable side where exactly this will make landfall. Nonetheless, though, you can see the tropical storm force winds already entering the bottom portions of the mainland. Typhoon strength still offshore. Now, our computer models here within the CNN World Weather Center indicating rainfall overspreading the entire mainland of Japan, Tokyo included, as well as Suzuka. Look at these rainfall totals over the next 48 hours, upwards of 100 millimeters in the next 2 days near the Grand Prix location. Tokyo could receive 200 plus millimeters. So obviously we have the threat of some localized flooding across that area. Here's a look at the forecast winds. I've stopped it on Monday morning just to give you an indication how strong the wind gusts will be across this area for rush hour. Tropical storm force at least, with higher wind gusts again around midday near Tokyo and Suzuka, and then winds start to gradually weaken into Tuesday as that storm pulls away very, very quickly. So a lot of eyes at Suzuka for the Formula One Grand Prix in Japan this weekend. Of course, it's starting in another hour or two. In fact, certainly rain on the track, and that is going to impact the drivers, no doubt. But the worst of the storm will actually be felt after the event closes. Now, the biggest concern is how they're going to get the cars to Sochi, Russia for the next Grand Prix event, which is next weekend. Look at this forecast for the winds. We're expecting them to pick up by Monday morning, of course, just in time for those cars to get packed up, put on a plane, and headed over to Russia again for that next Grand Prix event. Well, just to make matters worse, we have another typhoon that's developed almost in a similar location as Phanfone. Take a look at this projected path. Here's Phanfone where it is currently now. Look at Phanfone and how similar this path is heading towards mainland China by the end of next work week.